Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Coaching from the Couch. I'm Matt Gregory. Today, I'm here with a couple industry partners, Darin and Beth Rihl from Darin Architects. Thank you for joining me today.
Great to be here.
Pleasure.
In this four-part series, we'll explore architecture and real-world insights from Darin and Beth. All right, let's go ahead and get started. So with how active the Central Ohio market has been between development, new development, and all of that tied to job growth, there's a lot happening that requires strong collaboration between brokers and architects. So, Darin, can you explain the role an architect plays in getting deals across the finish line?
Absolutely. The main role for an architect is to ensure that the design and construction of the project align with the client's vision and expectations. That's the main goal. In addition to that, making sure that building and zoning codes are followed, driving the successful bidding process, making sure that the contractors are providing cost associated with the scope, keeping an open line of communication and being available through the entire construction project.
Yeah, that's all good. I can also speak from firsthand experience. The number of times I've been on a showing and the tenant wants to start designing the space with just me standing there, I'm like, this is good. Give me all this info. But I definitely have to get the architects involved to start working on the space plan. So, all right, Beth, can you explain how you help landlords with the marketability of their buildings?
Sure. Buildings do not age gracefully. Everything becomes dated at some point, and upgrades are needed to be made. We work with the owner directly to facilitate fresh finishes for the lobbies, the restrooms. We also add amenity spaces, as in fitness centers, large training facilities, cafe lounges, just to check all the boxes that tenants are looking for.
Yeah, that's great. I'm going to say firsthand experience again, but I can tell you that after a showing of a building that's been refreshed, you often leads to more RFPs or proposals from clients as opposed to a building that has an old, outdated lobby. So, Darin, can you explain the role that building code plays in obtaining an occupancy permit?
Sure, it's crucial that for an occupancy permit, you have to make sure that all building code and zoning codes are followed. Particularly life safety issues or systems.
Like travel path?
Correct. That's right. And more currently, accessibility guidelines.
Okay, great. And it's probably a lot of times tied to the tenant-specific use as well.
That's correct. The use and then the construction type of the building. Life safety requirements vary with the building, like you said, the use, whether the building is suppressed, fire alarmed, all sorts of fun things that come into play with that.
Well, that's great. Well, that's all the time we had for today. Please join us next time where we're going to dive into some more of the technical aspects of architecture. All right, everyone. Thanks for tuning in. Talk to you next time.